How to contact customer support in Triumph app. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can contact customer support in Triumph app. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to simply head over and open the Triumph application, and then you're going to click on profile at the bottom right. After that, you're going to click on settings at the top right. You'll be able to see a couple of options. On number 3, you'll be able to see the option of customer support, questions or concerns. You're going to click on it, and then they're going to ask you, how can we help? You're going to click on messages and then click on send us a message. Over here, you'll be able to see some messages already. What are gems for? My game never started. I'm waiting to find an opponent. I had an error in the game. My game is still pending. I need help with my withdrawal. If you have any query other than these, you can click on other, and then they're going to ask you some other questions, or you can simply type down what your issue is, and then they will get back to you. So that is basically how you can contact customer support in Triumph app. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.